Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 10 Bravery of Moral Science. Bravery means fearless in every situation, as bravery is a quality of spirit that enables us to face danger without showing fear, and we can win every difficult situation by being brave. Now let's read the story Joshan the Brave. There was a tribal boy, Joshan, who was very brave and courageous. Everyone in the tribe praised him for his bravery and used to say that the best man in the whole tribe is Joshan, the brave, because he can jump to the ground from amazing heights, fight poisonous snakes, catch scorpions with his bare hands, and can cut the palm of his hand with a knife without hesitation. On the other hand, another tribal boy, Antony, was just opposite to him. No one had seen him catch even a monkey. On one day, they both met each other in the forest, where Joshan was showing Antony a coral snake that he had just caught. When there began a heavy rainfall, the likes of which no one had ever seen. So both of them sought shelter under some thick greenery and stayed there until the rain stopped. However, when they were about to leave the shelter, they heard the roar of a tiger nearby. But the greenery was thick and dense, and the tiger would not have been able to get through it to attack them. But the tiger was almost at the entrance hole. If it happened to come in and find the two tribesmen there, they certainly would not get out alive. But Joshan was getting restless because he wanted to get out of that hole and bring the tiger in the open space so that he could display his great hunting skills. Where Antony indicated at him to keep still and be quiet, but Joshan was tired of being stuck with a coward, so he leapt out from the group of bushes and surprised the tiger with an attack. There the tiger suffered a couple of wounds but soon recovered, but it hurt Joshan with two slashes of its paw and threw him on the ground. Then the tiger was just going to leap upon Joshan, but Joshan's dagger in the hands of Antony interrupted the tiger's attack. After that, the tiger turned away wounded, but the dagger moved as fast as a beam of light and with unbelievable excess hurt the animal again and again until it fell to the ground lifeless. Where Joshan was shocked and bleeding heavily from his injuries, witnessed all this lying flat on his back on the ground, because he had never seen anyone take on a tiger and use the dagger with such calmness and strength as he had seen Antony do just now. Neither of them said a thing, as Joshan's grateful expressions needed no words to be understood, because they did not need any words to know about Antony's wounded hand or the fact that they were leaving a dead tiger in the forest. And from that day on, people gradually remarked less about Joshan's bravery because they thought that maybe he was not as courageous as they had thought he was. And they noticed that Joshan's old dagger was among Antony's things. After that, Joshan just smiled and remembered the day he learned that true bravery lay not in seeking out danger but in controlling our fear when danger crosses our path. So students, bravery is being the only one who knows you are afraid. Thank you.